Kaikaba Donato.
Kaigesu Toto. Akunete Murumuru.
Agriba. Chief.
Hey!
Hey! Agriba, how are you?
Chief, I'm fine. Chief, you have seen me now. The situation of the country. You know as this country be. You will buy motor, another person go drive am for you.
Okay. Agriba, my long-time friend. I don't like the way you are looking.
Chief, I don't even like the way I'm looking self. I don't like the way I am. I don't like myself.
I need to do something about this. Give me your phone. Let me put my phone number.
Hey, Chief, look at my phone. Hey, Chief, just like that.
Look at the kind of phone you are even using. Agriba.
Chief, it's the one I can afford now.
This is my phone number. Send me your account number.
I should send my account number.
Send it to me because you know, as God has blessed us, we need to help the poor and the downtrodden of the society. Agriba, send me your account number.
Hey, Chief, God bless you.
Make sure you send it to me.
I'll send it to you, Chief.
No. Agriba, no. This is not good enough.
One number. One man Donato.
The enemy will just catch you. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Chief.
Good afternoon. Please, who am I on to?
Chief, it's Agriba.
Agriba.
Chief.
How are you?
Chief, I'm fine, but I'm not fine.
What is the problem?
I've sent that account number since now, and Chief, I've not had anything from you.
You see, I must have missed it one way or the other. You know what you will do for me now? Huh? Send it right here.
I should send it immediately. Okay, Chief, I've sent it.
This boy must be faster than the speed of light. You will hear from me.
Chief, I'll hear from you.
You will hear from me. Agriba. Now, wow. I'm just simply happy.
And I want for this man, eh? Don't be like say when they use me, they play.
Akubudika. Ebele Mwachukuji Goziabo.
Well, you have displayed all that. I'm happy that you were able to deliver. Even if you like carrying dreads and wearing socks like Yahoo boys. But I love the work you did. It's a good one. Thank you. No. I'm proud of you. I mean, with this complex now, more billions. No, me. Agriba!
Chief!
Agriba!
Chief Bob!
He works here. Agriba, you are even one of my laborers.
Chief, now what for you? You asked me to send my account number. Even when I called you, you asked me to send it again. Now, Chief, I've wasted. I don't waste to come up to 80 naira. I send the account number. I've seen nothing.
Agriba, I need to ask, did you send it via SMS or you sent it via WhatsApp?
Chief, I sent it. Now, Chief, look at, I sent it via SMS.
Agriba, you should have sent it via WhatsApp now. I really look at my SMSs. I just even remembered that your phone does not even have WhatsApp. Agriba, as a businessman, I don't fail to miss my meals. So what you do now, you need to go to a cyber cafe and send it via mail.
Chief, because of account number.
That's what will happen.